This video is independent training created by Triple Tron and Marcus Miller. It is not official LeadsLeap training, and Triple Tron is not owned, operated, or endorsed by LeadsLeap. Some links shared in this training may be affiliate links, which means we may earn a commission if you choose to join or upgrade through them at no extra cost to you. This training is for educational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed. Your results depend on your own effort, consistency, marketing activity, follow-up traffic, and business decisions. Welcome to Day 4 of the Triple Tron LeadsLeap Masterclass 30-day launch sprint. Today we are going to connect the pieces together because having a LeadsLeap account is good, but having it connected to your Triple Tron promotional system is where the real power begins. Your goal is not just to join LeadsLeap. Your goal is to build a follow-up system that works for you even when you are not online. Today's lesson is about connecting your LeadsLeap username inside your Triple Tron members area. This is important because Triple Tron is designed to help members promote, capture leads, and build their list using automation. When your LeadsLeap information is saved correctly, your capture pages and promotional tools can send people into your LeadsLeap system. That means when a visitor enters their name and email, they are not just seeing a page, they are becoming part of your follow-up process. Most marketers lose people because they send traffic straight to a sales page or opportunity page. That is a big mistake. People usually do not join the first time they see something. They need reminders. They need education. They need to see the message more than once. That is why follow-up is so powerful. When LeadsLeap is connected correctly, you can start building a real marketing asset, your list. Your list is something you can keep communicating with. That is how you turn one-time traffic into long-term opportunity. Inside your Triple Tron members area, go to the promotional or LeadsLeap settings section. You want to make sure your LeadsLeap username is saved correctly. Your LeadsLeap username is the referral ID that appears in your LeadsLeap referral link. For example, if your LeadsLeap link looks like this, https://letsleap.com/r=Team Phoenix, then your username is Team Phoenix. Save that inside Triple Tron where the LeadsLeap information is requested. Once that is saved, your system can properly connect your Triple Tron promotional pages to your LeadsLeap setup. Let's use a simple example. Let's say you refer someone to Triple Tron. That person joins Triple Tron but does not have a LeadsLeap account yet. When they click the LeadsLeap join button inside Triple Tron, the system should send them under the correct sponsor or upline who already has their LeadsLeap username saved. That keeps the growth organized. It helps sponsors build their LeadsLeap team. It also keeps new members connected to the same promotional ecosystem. And if there is no sponsor or no sponsor LeadsLeap username saved, the system will use the default admin LeadsLeap link so the page still works properly. Do not skip this step. Too many people join platforms and never connect the tools. They have traffic tools in one place, capture pages in another place, and follow up in another place, and that creates confusion. The purpose of this masterclass is to help you build a simple connected system. Traffic goes to your capture page. The capture page collects the lead. LeadsLeap follows up. Triple Tron gives you promotional tools, and you repeat the process every day. That is how you build momentum. Your action step for day 4 is simple. Log into your Triple Tron account, go to the LeadsLeap or promotional settings area, enter your LeadsLeap username, save it, then double check that your username is spelled correctly. One small typo can break your referral connection, so take your time and make sure it is right. That is day 4 of the Triple Tron LeadsLeap Masterclass. Today was not about doing something complicated. It was about connecting the system, because once your system is connected, every promotion you do has a better chance of building your list, growing your follow-up, and creating long-term results. In the next lesson, we are going to continue building the foundation so your LeadsLeap system is not just active, but ready to start capturing and following up with real prospects. Subscribe to the channel, complete today's action step, and I will see you in day 5.